My name is Danny. I'm a physical therapist at Breakthrough Physical Therapy, and this is Jake, our physical therapy aide. And today we're going to talk about plantar fasciitis and some things you can do to help. And Jake is going to show you where that is. So on the bottom of his foot, it's going to run from the ball of his foot here to the heel, and it runs in a longitudinal direction. We're gonna show you some stretches that can help relieve tension in that area. So a lot of times with plantar fasciitis, a lot of stiffness and pain can build up on the bottom of the foot, and Jake's gonna show you an exercise where we're gonna provide some relief to that area. So he's gonna take this tennis ball, he's gonna put it on the floor, he's gonna put his right foot over it in a staggered stance here, and the ball's gonna be placed anywhere between the ball of the foot and the heel to start off with. He's gonna apply some deep pressure through it by shifting his weight forward. And he's gonna roll in a longitudinal direction from forward to back with the tennis ball. Okay, he's gonna do it nice and slowly. Good. And he's gonna find a spot where he feels that it might be a little more tender, and he's gonna apply even more deep pressure through there. And he can even do little circles in that area, clockwise and counterclockwise. And he can also go left and right and play around with it a little bit. So a lot of times in patients with plantar fasciitis, we find that they have decreased dorsiflexion range. And Jake's gonna demonstrate what dorsiflexion is. So go ahead and face that way for me, and he's gonna lift his foot up off the ground, keeping the heel there. And that's dorsiflexion, okay? So one thing he's gonna do to help with this is stretch out his calf and soleus muscle, which are on the back of his leg. So he's gonna have his hands on the wall. He's gonna get a nice staggered stance with the leg that he's stretching in the back. He's gonna keep that back heel on the floor, and he's gonna keep his knee here straight, and he's gonna shift his weight forward until he feels a good stretch around the calf. Okay, and he's gonna hold that for about 30 seconds, and then he's gonna do 3 sets. So for the next exercise, Jake's gonna demonstrate a toe jam here, and that's gonna give a nice little stretch to the bottom of the foot, okay? So he's gonna go ahead and get up close to the wall again. He's gonna put his foot forward, have the ball of his foot into the corner, and his toes are gonna be extended. And then he's gonna go ahead and shift his weight forward until his knee touches the wall. And he's gonna feel a nice stretch on the bottom of his foot, and he's gonna hold it for about 30 seconds. And again, we're gonna do that about 3 times. Thanks for watching. Bam.